हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। इस वीडियो में हम रेन एंड मार्टिन की हाई स्कूल ग्रामर जो बुक है उसकी एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व करेंगे। ये हमारी पूरी सीरीज है जिसमें हम हर वीडियो में अपनी एक्सरसाइज जो है उनको एक एक करके सॉल्व करेंगे। नेम द पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच ऑफ ईच इटैलिसाइज्ड वर्ड इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस, गिविंग इन ईच केस योर रीजन फॉर द क्लासिफिकेशन. Before starting our exercise, let's have a quick look at the parts of speech. They are 8 in number: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Now, we all know what are the parts of speech. Noun is a word which tells about the name, place, animal or thing. Pronoun used in place of noun. Verb. Doing words are called verb or action words. Adverb, which adds to the meaning of the verb. Adjective adds something to the meaning of noun. Preposition used with noun or pronoun to show how the person or thing denoted by noun or pronoun stands in relation with something else. Conjunction, joining words. Interjection, express strong or sudden feelings. Now let's start our exercise. Still waters run deep. Still, adjective. It adds something to the meaning of the noun waters. He still lives in that house. Here, adverb, because it is adding something to the meaning of the verb lives. After the storm comes the calm. Here, after denotes preposition. It shows the relationship between the storm and comes. The after effects of the drug are bad. Adjective. It adds something to the meaning of the noun effects. The up train is late. Adjective. It tells something to the meaning of noun train. It weighs about a pound. Adverb. Add something to the meaning of the verb weigh. He told us all about the battle. Preposition shows the relationship between all and battle. He was only a yard off me. Preposition shows the relation between yard and me. Suddenly, one of the wheels came off. Adverb adds something to the meaning of the verb came. Mohammedans fast in the month of Ramzan. Verb expresses an action. He kept the fast for a week. Noun, name of something. He is on the committee. Preposition shows the relationship between is and committee. Let us move on. Adverb shows or add something to the meaning of the verb move. Sit down and rest a while. Noun, the name of something. I will watch while you sleep. Conjunction joins the two parts I will watch and you sleep. They while away their evenings with books and games. While here it is verb because it expresses an action.